Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. This is a Vermeer SC352 stump grinder. Made in the USA, dual front wheels, weighs in just over a ton, 2,100 pounds. We actually have belt drive up to this end of it. Nice cutter wheel on it. This has got the yellow jacket cutter system. It's a universal tooth. Got the wheel is a 1/2 inch thick and it's an 18-inch diameter. 20 teeth on the wheel. Nice power on this unit with that diesel engine. See your hydraulic drive. Get you a shot of the hours here. Clean unit, you can tell it's been housed inside. Open the hood up here for you. We don't have a bunch of leaks or anything. It's a nice dry machine. We did install a new battery in it. Power steering, it is a 2-wheel drive unit. Easy on the lawns. I glowed it this morning a couple times. It's about 12 degrees, started right up. Sounds great. Electric PTO. We've also got the differential lock on it. This also features the auto sweep. Auto sweep. You know what that does is it senses the load on the cutter head and adjusts your hydraulic drive, you know, just to maintain your RPMs. Again, 2150 on the operating weight, nice shape. Nicely maintained. We'll do a service on it before it goes out. See your radiator's in good shape. Engine, nicely compartmented. Good protection for you as you're standing there chipping. And knife overall looks like to be in really good shape. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this Vermeer SC352 Auto Sweep Vermeer Stump Grinder. Operator manual is in place, just as you'd expect. And like I said, we'll do a full service on it. One little crack in the hood right here. Other than that, the machine looks to be very straight. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.